Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into an honest review of Amuse, which is the music distribution platform that's been making waves among independent artists. But is it the right choice for you? Stick around in order to find that out. So, Amuse is a digital music distribution service that allows you to release your tracks to major streaming platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and Tidal. Their mission is to empower artists by providing tools to distribute music while retaining rights and royalties. If I talk about the key features of Amuse, so first of all, if we go to pricing, you will get free distribution. Amuse is the best platform that actually offers you the free tier where you can distribute your own music without upfront costs, keeping 100% of your royalties. The second thing is that you will get premium plans as well for those who want more from this platform. So you can just go with their premium plan. The first plan is the boost plan and the second plan is the pro plan. These two plans offer the faster release time and advanced analytics and priority support. The next feature that I would like to mention is the artist friendly deals. So Amuse basically is going to provide you the tailored licensing deals and flexible funding options, aiming you to support in your growth while they maintain the creative control. So here again, if I talk about the pros, so it is highly cost effective. The free plan is ideal for the emerging artists who are looking to get their music out without any financial barriers, and the platform is also intuitive, making the distribution process very straightforward. Amuse also offers funding options to help you invest in your careers without actually relinquishing the rights. Now there are some of the cons that you need to consider, and the first thing I would like to mention is the release speed. So since it is free, so every free thing come with some limitations. So the free users might experience the longer release times as compared to the premium users. And the second thing is their customer service. So there are some reporters or some artists that have reported that the delay in the customer responses, which can be challenging during the time sensitive releases. So if we talk about the user experiences, which I found with the help of Reddit and other platforms. So there are many artists that appreciate Amuse's free distribution model. There have been reports of the sudden account suspensions and removals without any clear explanations as well. So you need to consider that in mind. So in the final thought, if I would describe Amuse, so I would say that Amuse actually presents a compelling option for independent artists, especially those who starting out with its free distribution and artist friendly policies. However, it is crucial to weigh the potential challenges such as the release times and customer support responsiveness. So as with any platform, experiences can vary, so consider your specific needs, and perhaps you can start with a single release to gauge if Amuse aligns with your goals. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.